Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And Shelly, thank you so much for speaking with me on the phone earlier today. I appreciate your time. Listen, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy. You're probably wondering why I would even take the time to make a video like this for you. And honestly, a lot of roofing companies, especially owners of roofing companies, are just way too busy to even understand how the internet can bring them even more customers, right? To have those phones ringing just nonstop with customers wanting your service. And honestly, I'm going to break down three things, or I'm just basically giving you an attack plan on how to get those customers. Some people, contact me back. Some people don't, right? And it's completely fine. If you wanted to take this information and utilize it yourself, you can totally do that. It's completely up to you. Okay. Now, there are three things that I'm going to talk to you about today. The first thing being content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. And then last thing we're going to talk about is citations. Okay. Now, first things first, I went on ahead and just fiddled around with your website. I do got to say that it was actually really, really well built. I was kind of, messing around with it before I started filming, and I had no problems clicking things here and there. And it was really, really well made, right? So the only thing is that Google, honestly, they care more about content, right, than how nice a website is, right? So, and content are just the amount of words on your page, including the pictures, right? So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all the content here on your page, on the home page here. And I'm going to put it here in my word counter just to kind of see where you're at with your words. A really dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words, okay, on the landing page alone. So you're at 136 words. So my first tip would definitely be to go on ahead and increase the word count on your landing page, right? Even if you wanted to get it closer to, say, 1,000, that would definitely help your visibility and help Google find you guys' website more, increasing the amount of traffic you guys see on the website per month, right? Essentially, right, traffic brings more phone calls, so on and so forth, right? And then it would just be up to you guys to actually close those deals. And Google also wants to see keywords, right? Google also wants to see keywords on your website as well. Anything between roofers, Waco, Texas, roofing companies, Waco, Texas, roofers in Waco, things like that, right? Those are just some basic keywords that are actually highly searched in your area, okay? But according to the research that I've done before I filmed this video. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. Okay, so I went on ahead and plugged in your website into my tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, of course. I'm considering I am in the industry. It just kind of allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website. Okay, it kind of pulls the curtain a little bit so I can see some stats and some analytics and things like that. Now, there are some free tools out there, if you just want to research them, just Googling backlink checker for free, things like that, and you could definitely see what I'm seeing here. So, according to my tool here, you have 20 referring domains and 245 backlinks. Okay. Now, referring domains are just 20, are just other websites that are pushing traffic to your website, right? They're linking to your website, and there's 20 different websites that are doing so, and they're doing that. They're linking to you 245 times. Okay, that's bringing you a total of on average, 2 people to visit your website per month, and it gives you a total of $8 in traffic value. Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing for your competitors just so you can see where you're at in comparison to them. Okay, and these guys are your top competitors in the area. Pro Roofing, Waco, I have them here, Manuel Chavez. All right, and according to this, they have 36 referring domains and 303 backlinks, right? So they have 36 websites linking to them, and they're doing so 303 times. They have roughly 66 people visiting their website per month, and they're seeing $177 worth of traffic value for that, okay? Now, the good thing about this is that if these backlinks and referring domains are good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you, right? Not all backlinks are created equal. Obviously, Google knows that you're not a restaurant or a Pizza Hut or anything like that, so they don't want other websites that are not relevant to what you do to be linking to you, right? They want to see other trustworthy websites that are like, let's just say, roofing blogs or roofing forums or even other roofing websites that are pushing traffic to you, that are linking to you. That helps build power and helps build trust. It allows you to be found and pushes more traffic to your website so that people are seeing you, right? People are visiting your website because you have what they're looking for. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations are anywhere that you can find your address, phone number, and your business name on a directory, right? And a directory can be anywhere from Yelp. You've got Yellow Pages, White Pages. You've got Home Advisor and Angie's List. Those are just some quick, 5 directories off the top of my head. Now, the more citations you have, the higher you'll be here on this map pack. Okay. Now, if I'm completely honest with you, this is where the money goes, right? This is where most people go. This is where all the traffic is, where most people find what they're looking for. I don't know if you're like me, but I don't scroll down here to the 3rd or 4th page of Google to find what I'm looking for. I usually trust the map pack because it usually answers my question, right? If I'm looking for a plumber in my area, in my town, right, of Farmington, New Mexico, well, then I'm usually just going to trust the first one because Google shows me that these guys, actually know what they're doing, right? And as I said, I normally don't go down here and click these other ones down here. So you're probably wondering, where to go from here, right? Now, you have 2 options, right? I mean, the first one would be just to take all this knowledge and all this info and apply it to your business, utilize it to the best of your ability, right? Ensuring that you up the content up to 1,000 words, ensuring that you research your competitors' backlinks and then stack them on top of yours. Okay, you could easily be at the top of Google in Waco. And then lastly, right, is doing the same thing with the citations. Say if these competitors up here, Honey's Roofing, say if they had, I don't know, anywhere between 50 to 100 different citations, I'd want to one-up them and go up to like 150 to 200, right? Just to ensure that you're constantly dominating this area here. You're always being seen and you're always up here, right? And you're the one getting the calls. You're the one getting the leads. You're constantly getting an inflow of customers. And then your second option, if you're, like some of my other clients that are like, what, Jesus, I do need some guidance in this area. I would definitely like, to speak more with you in this. You could definitely, reach out to me. I'm always open to you 24/7. Just shoot me an email after watching this video if you're interested. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate you guys' time. Have a good day.